Hello, my name is Rekha from Jaipur Engineering College in Humanities Department. In this lecture today we are going to discuss about holistic perception of harmony. In this lecture we are going to discuss about some aspects of the harmony. This is the part of human values of BTech second semester. All of us are responsible for our own lives, happiness, and the resources we use. As a unit, we need to learn and practice those methods which are suitable for our development. Self realization and hard working leads to achievement and fulfillment in our lives. Thus, a holistic approach to development is needed for a deeper insight to sustainable development of lives. Let's see holistic perception. The holistic freedom circle shown below explain the holistic perception, that is the holistic awareness is related to understanding holistic cooperation, which in turn is linked to create holistic freedom. It helps us in learning how to increase our freedom in a few and sustainable way, leading to mutual happiness of all the units. Nature is composite form of all the units which exist on earth, plants or human beings or animals or any material entity. The existence is the unity of nature which are submerged in space. Types of units. The units are basically divided into two types which are as follows. First one is material Ghatanshil and second one is this conscious self I Ghatan Purna. Thus first one material Ghatanshil. The material units are basically temporary units which are insentient in nature. These are capable of any transformation and its composition keeps changing. The material unit exists to perform only the fulfillment and recognizing activities. The material units are further divided in two types of orders. First one material order and second one pranic या plant or bio order. According to first one is material order. According to this order, the atoms combines with other different atoms in order to form a molecule, which further forms a molecule structure. This structure exists in two different forms, which are as follows: lumps and fluids. Second one is pranic avastha, pran or bio order. In this order, the cells are the smallest unit which combines with other different cells in order to grow as a plant or a human body or animal body. Second one is the conscious self I. The conscious self I units are continuous units and sentient. These do not transform and neither their composition changes. These perform knowing, assuming, and all the activities of material units. I plus animal body, animal or animal order. I plus a human body, human or human order. The following flowchart explain the holistic perception of harmony at all levels of existence. Existence divided into two parts: units and space. Units is nature and space is nothing. And the unit also divided into two parts: material and conscious self I. Material order divided into two parts: material order and pranic order. Material order, there is a atom and it combines into different atoms and became a molecule, and after then it changes into molecule structure, and last it became a lump. Conscious self I, it is based on plants, animal body, and human body. And in consciousness self I, there is four activities, and these are knowing, assuming, and recognizing or fulfilling. Animal body, animal order, human body, human order, and it's divided in two parts: kriya purnata and acharan purnata. Kriya purnata, it basically based on the knowledge of a person, and Achan Purta is ability to live. It shows the ability to live of a human being, of a individual person. Existence is coexistence. The existence is in the form of harmony in existence, harmony in nature, harmony in self, harmony in society, harmony in family, harmony in body. Hence, we can conclude that existence is in coexistence, it is harmony. A human being is not supposed to create this harmony, instead, he has to be the part of it and understand it to reside in it. Thank you.